Trump and TSMC announce $100 billion plan to build 5 new U.S. factories. Did you hear about the recent announcement regarding TSMC's $100 billion investment in the U.S.?
Yes, it's a significant move. TSMC plans to build 5 new factories, which could greatly enhance domestic chip production.
That's right. This expansion includes 3 fabrication plants and 2 advanced packaging facilities.
Exactly. This investment is crucial for reducing reliance on Asian semiconductor manufacturing, especially for national security.
And it's expected to create around 40,000 construction jobs over the next 4 years, which is substantial.
Indeed, and this follows a previous investment where TSMC increased its planned U.S. investment from $25 billion to $65 billion.
Right, and this new plan is part of a broader strategy to bolster domestic industries and fulfill campaign promises.
Moreover, TSMC's role is vital for companies like NVIDIA and Qualcomm, as they rely heavily on TSMC for chip production.
It seems like this investment could also help Intel, especially after discussions around a joint venture.
Absolutely. This collaboration could potentially save Intel and strengthen the U.S. chip industry as a whole.
This announcement is part of a trend, with Apple also planning to invest $500 billion in the U.S. over the next 4 years.
Yes, and such investments are crucial for the future of technology and economic growth in the U.S.